Yow, man! Welcome to the Frickcast. Today we'll be taking a gander at the new Dr. Squatch Deodorant. The Squatch Deos have been around for a few years now, but recently they secretly dropped a new packaging. So in this quick guide, we'll be taking a look at what, if anything, has changed. Now I say they dropped this in secret because they've not really advertised this, and they don't feature the new design on the website. These, for now at least, are exclusive to retailers such as Walmart and I believe Target. I nabbed this deo here from my local Wally World. As far as I can tell, all of the classic OG flavors are available in this new form, but I don't think there are any limiteds yet. I only nabbed the Birchwood Breeze for the purposes of this video, so I can't say for certain anything about the other flavors, but I imagine you can apply a lot of what we say here today to those as well. So let's look at the most notable change, the packaging itself. The old version was of course circular. These, however, are flat, like a more commonly seen deodorant. The shape was never really a big deal to me. It really just comes down to preference. But I do think the flat design feels better to put on than the circle one, at least for the Squatch Deos. Aside from the shape, I think the new packaging is much nicer in general. It's got a cleaner, higher quality look to it. I always found the original containers to feel pretty cheap. I had some break, the deo itself would randomly fall out, and the twist thing at the bottom would sometimes jam. So far, I don't see any of those issues with the new look. It all just feels better quality. But what about the deo itself? Has anything changed with the formula? Well, as far as the ingredients go, at least for the Birchwood Breeze, the ingredient list is exactly the same between the old and new designs. Now, one issue I had with the old Squatch Deos was the texture itself. It could often feel like applying a glue stick, as it could go on thick, rip your hair out, clump up, and kinda just be messy. I always found it worked well, it was just a bit sloppy. It may be the shape or something else, but I do find the new stick to go on a bit smoother. It still felt a little rough, and can feel like a glob of glue under your armpit if you're not careful to apply it very lightly. But overall a much smoother, cleaner experience. I found it pretty much lasts all day, and keeps you feeling and smelling fresh. Speaking of smell, we must of course talk about the scent. Now, one other notable aspect from the original Deos is their potency, the strength of their scents, as they almost double as a cologne. The scents last all day, smell great depending on the flavor, and are quite noticeable. I didn't find this changed with the new sticks. That beautiful Birchwood Breeze scent was strong and pleasant. So overall, these new deos are an upgrade in my opinion, most notably the better quality packaging. Now, if you want to learn more about the ingredients and why you should be using a natural deodorant, check out my deodorant guide for more. Also, if you want to learn more about the available flavors, check out my deodorant ranking video as well. So let me know if you've tried the new Dr. Squatch deodorants. Do you think they're an improvement or just the same? As always, Frick Nation, stay nifty. Yow, man!